Hello everyone, you're welcome to V's Delight YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to decorate a cake. Please watch till the end to see how it was done. You can also subscribe to my channel to see more of my amazing videos. So let's begin. Here I have my crumb coated cake. I have a video on how to crumb coat a cake. You can check in the description box below to see it. I also have a video on how to make an oval shaped cake from a circle cake shape. You can find that in my description. Just click on the link to watch the video. And if you're also looking for a perfect recipe for your buttercream, I have a video on it. Also, you can find it in the link in my description. So for the cake, all you need to do is watch how it's being decorated. If you have a question, please do well to ask and I'll give an answer. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For your chocolate dough, I have a video on how to make it using just two basic ingredients. Check in the description to see the link and you can watch it there. If you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and you can leave a comment in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.